separated governmental powers into the legislative, executive, and judicial branches, and it created checks and balances among the branches. It also, however, allowed slavery, extended citizenship to people other than Africans, the descendants of Africans and Indians, and it did not allow women to vote. The Texas Constitution also drew on influences from Spanish and Mexican law. It adopted community property, which is shared ownership by married couples. And it also gave homestead exemptions and protections and granted special relief to debtors. To amend the Constitution, one session of the Texas legislature had to approve the amendment. Then the following session had to reapprove it. And finally, the people of Texas